Hello everyone and welcome back to our Power BI tutorial series. So today we will learn how we can publish our dashboard on Power BI service and what type of difficulty we can face. I have a data source actually which is used by import. It is not used by direct query mode. So I am going to publish this dashboard on Power BI service. So I will click on publish. Before it will asking me to save this. Yes, I want to save this, and it will actually show me the options of worksheet. So I have a connection in Oracle HR. So I'm going to select this Oracle HR workbook worksheet in fact, and it's going to be publishing. So it's published. Now I need to log in a Power BI. So I am connecting with the Power BI workspace, which is Oracle HR, and here I have a data source and I have a dashboard here. So if I click this dashboard, it will load our data and dashboard. So very cool. But let's say I have a database here and I want to update my salary. Okay, and now I want to see, okay, my salary is changed, and this is my old salary and this is my new salary, and this is just I took this field for demonstration purpose, that how we can refresh our data once we publish on a Power BI service. So this is the main purpose of this demo actually. So let me commit this, and now I'm going to in a Power BI desktop and check the reflection of the data is changed or not. So currently, yeah, you can see 1 million, but now I want to go and I want to check this, that it will refresh or not. So just refresh this page. No, it's not showing. It's showing me old value, right? So let me come to the workspace Oracle HR and let me try to refresh it. It's preparing for refresh. Okay, so it's not going to refresh because it's giving me error. Schedule refresh for disabled, please try later, or like this. So which means we need to actually define our gateway establishment connection is there or properly not configured. So we need to work on the gateway side, right? So I have already installed a gateway, on-premises gateway, which is personal mode, and I need to check that your gateway is up and running. So which means that my gateway is ready on local machine, but not available on this side, not not on Power BI side. So which means I need to do something on Power BI level, Power BI service level. So for that I need to go in settings, manage connection and gateway, and let's check is there any Oracle data sources. I think this is, yeah, this is Oracle data source. So currently what is the status? It's showing me offline, right? So I need to do something. I am going to in a setting and let me check my basic, and I need to provide the credential of the local database, and after that I need to provide none, and let me try this way first. Okay, and then try this online. Now it's showing online. So let's get back to our Oracle HR and try to refresh. So we can schedule, but right now I am doing, I am scheduling it manually, or refreshing is manually, but we can refresh once it's connected successfully, then we are able to schedule it. So I think it's pretty there is no issue. So let me rerun the Power BI site. Okay, so it's not showing again. No, yeah, it's showing again actually. So once we establish a gateway, then we have a reflection of the Oracle database with Power BI. So this is actually a demonstration of this video. This is the purpose of this video. So thank you very much for watching this video.